Hi, in this video, we will learn how to split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. There are two simple ways to do this, and both are very useful depending on your work. Method 1, using a table. First, go to the Insert tab. Click on Table and select a 2x1 table. Now click on the small box at the top left corner of the table to select the entire table. Right-click on the table and choose Table Properties. From here, go to Borders and Shading and select None. This will remove the visible borders, making the table invisible. Click OK. Now you can type or paste your text into each box, and it will look like your text is neatly split into two columns. This method is especially useful when you want full control over each column. Method 2, using the columns option. In the second method, first select the text you want to split, and then go to the Layout tab. Click on Columns, and from here you can choose 2 columns, 3 columns, or more if you want. I will select 2 columns. As soon as you click it, Word will automatically divide your text into 2 columns. This method is faster and works best for long paragraphs or article-style text. And that's it.